Hello everyone. So today I'd like to introduce something called reference line. Reference line is really that you want to draw the line somewhere in the chart and then either like horizontal or vertical to help the audience understand the context of that line chart or whatever the chart is actually showing. Okay, so let's take a look. So here's the chart. This blue line is the unemployment rate of the United States, and the orange line is a moving average of 12 months. So now like here, like I like to draw the reference line on the vertical reference line to show you when that last recession was. In order to show the vertical line, you want to go to the x-axis menu, and there's a reference line. And then from here, there are various type of reference line, but in this time, you want to select the specific value. And then this one, the x-axis is actually the date, so type the date. So the last time the recession started, it was 2020, February 1st. So I typed that value. And then like I can click on the apply button. So now like we see the great line drawn right here. What if we want to show like multiple recession lines? For example, we had the recession in 2008 or 2001 and so on. In that case, you can add those values by comma separated. So these are the recession starting date over the last 50 years or so. So come back in here, I just pasted it, but make sure all these values are comma separated. Now, like you can have like multiple values. That means when you click on the apply button, you have the multiple reference lines being drawn. You can change the format of the reference line. For example, you can change the color or line style, or maybe the line width as well. If you think this is too thick, and then you can change that to different value. And also you can choose to show this information in the legend or not. What that means, first you give the name. So like this is like a recession starting date, and then click on this checkbox and click apply. And then now you see recession start information in the legend. That will give your audience better idea what this great vertical line means. So these are vertical reference lines. Obviously, you can draw horizontal reference line. And in that case, you want to go from the y-axis. So y-axis menu, and there's a reference line menu. And then in this case, you can type a specific value, let's say like an 8 or 4 or something like that. Or you can actually do select one of these sort of like a summarized calculation value. So here, let's say like if I select the last value and click on apply button, and then the reference line is being drawn to match with at the same height of the last unemployment rate value. If you don't like the color, you can change that always, change that to dark color, and then apply, and then change the line style, and line width, and so on. Okay, so that was a reference line. So you can draw the reference line on either vertical way or horizontal way. And it depends, you might want to go to reference line menu on the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, hope this helped, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.